Hey everyone, today Sammy and I took a trip to Silver Springs, one of the most beautiful natural springs here in Florida. We hopped into our Oru kayak and set out to explore the crystal clear waters. During the winter months, Silver Springs becomes a hotspot for manatees seeking warmth. These gentle giants are simply breathtaking. They love approaching kayaks, and today we were lucky enough to meet a baby manatee with its mom, along with several others. Did you know that manatees are herbivores and can eat up to 15% of their body weight in vegetation every day? Check out this one as it's eating all the seaweed off the ground floor. As if that wasn't enough, today, at the end of our trip, we stumbled upon a group of wild monkeys swinging through the trees. It was like stepping into a different world right here in Florida. Exploring Silver Springs was an incredible experience. It's amazing how much wildlife you can encounter in just one day. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this adventure as we go through Silver Springs.